In this video, we will take a look at 5 different methods to iterate or loop through a JavaScript array. Watch the video till the end, and leave a comment if you know any other method for iterating over a JavaScript array. Let's define an array of numbers. First method of iteration is using for of loop. Its syntax is for a variable, then of keyword, followed by the array. Log this to console. This for loop will iterate over the array, and this variable will contain the array element in each iteration. Save. Look. We have all the elements of the array. Second method is using for in loop. Its syntax is the same as for of loop, where of keyword is replaced by in keyword. But there is a difference. In this loop, the loop variable will not contain the array element itself, but its index. If you have the index of an array element, then it can be accessed by using the index inside square brackets after array name. So, this will give you the element of array at a given index. Save. It works. Third way to iterate over a JavaScript array is using forEach method. forEach takes a callback function as argument. This callback function is invoked for each element of the array, and its argument contains an array element every time it is invoked. Save. This callback function can be written as an arrow function, which does not require using function keyword, and the parameter is followed by an arrow. If there is a single statement in the arrow function, then these curly braces can also be omitted. So, this can be reduced to a single line. Look how cleaner it gets. Another method is using a conventional for loop, which iterates using a numeric loop variable. This loop variable must range from 0 to 1 less than the length of the loop. This is because index of array elements start from 0. So, the last element will have an index equal to 1 less than the total number of elements. To get the length of array, use its length property. For getting the array element, use its index inside square brackets after the array. Finally, last method is using map function. Map also takes a callback function as argument. This callback function is invoked for each element of the array, and its argument contains an array element every time it is invoked. This callback function can also be written as an arrow function. Pause the video and try writing the callback function as an arrow function. Here is the solution. Hope you liked the video.